My dear friend, as you are well aware that we are describing the persecution of the Parsis or the Zoroastrians by the Islamic goons, because Islam is a rogue ideology and is followed by the rogue person. A true Muslim is not a good person; he is a zangli beast, or the wild animal, or the monster, wild monster, or the Islamic monster. This is why the where the Islam step forward towards the territory of other non-Muslim country, the ultimate fate of that country or the devastation of the society, peace and harmony. So I would like to tell you the another series of the persecution of the Parsis or Zoroastrians by the Islamic rogue ideology, that is Islam, which was launched by a rogue person, that is a Muhammad bin Abdullah. He was a fraudulent, he was a liar, he was the rapist, he was the killer of the society and disturbed the peace and harmony. So, Zoroastrian, when Jizya imposed on the Zoroastrian, there were three options only. As usually, Islam is a Gunism against the non-Muslims. First option was convert into Islam for wave of Jizya tax. Second option was to pay Jizya. If you have much wealth, then this was almost 10% of income, not on profit. If you are businessman, third option was fight against them and defeated the Muslim or fled from the Islamic country. Zoroastrian status was dhimmi, means the najas or the filthy people or the third class, means a dhimmi means impure alike. Moments has taken all communication. In this context, Allah's voice to Gabriel engine to Prophet Muhammad Sahib to the all moments due to Jizya. Arabs tax collectors would mockery of the Parsis or the Zoroastrians for wearing kusti, the sacred girdle worn by the Zoroastrians around their waist, along with the sadra. The kusti was a ritual dress of the Zoroastrians, and sadra is a special type of undergarment which is worn by alongside the kusti, and would rip it off, hanging the cord around the neck of the belly guard due to corruption of the tax officer at time. Twice and thrice time the official's figure would be collected because every immediately had to receive his share. If the family could not afford paying the jizya, their children were beaten and even tortured and their books thrown into fire. This is the sample of the jungle Raj in Islamic tradition. In this horrible condition, many Zoroastrians had to convert so-called violent religion Islam. Many Zoroastrians were picked as a Muslim's name, but secretly they practiced that the religion, as many Islamic countries, there is 2 to 30% ex-Muslims, but they are